Well, my name is Jerry Harris, and we are residents of Dorchester County. We have some farms here, and our farms are not for production of grain, but more for waterfowl habitat. Although we hunt the farms, they're also, by and large, a sanctuary for the waterfowl. I've hunted since I was probably 11 or 12 years old, waterfowl. I'm now 75, so that's a long time. Uh, we got involved with retrievers probably 50 years ago. And the combination of having, watching the birds, listening to the birds, watching the dogs work are something that pleases us, my wife and I, very much. And fortunately, we have the time and the wherewithal to improve the habitat and to use our farms as somewhat demonstration farms to other people that are interested of how they can improve and how they can use their properties to attract more waterfowl. We're trying to demonstrate by showing people how they can improve their properties, how collectively we can all make this a better place and preserve some of the rich heritage that the Eastern Shore, Maryland, Delaware, Virginia, has had from waterfowl standpoint. Watching the birds come in, how they fly around it, how they call, that whole symphony is quite intriguing. I never tire of that.